Ever wondered about how to set the right price for your product or service? Have you wondered how your competitors seem to hit that sweet spot where price meets demand? The answer lies in the art and science of competitor benchmarking in a pricing context. Imagine walking into a marketplace. You see stalls lined up, each selling similar products. How does one decide where to buy from? Often it's the price that sways the decision. This is the power of pricing, and to master it, you need to understand competitor benchmarking. Competitor benchmarking in pricing is a strategic approach where you compare your prices with your competitors. This isn't about copying what others are doing, it's about understanding the market dynamics and setting a competitive price for your offerings. The first step in this process is conducting market research. This is where you gather data about your competitors' pricing strategies. You can use a variety of resources for this, including their websites, customer reviews, and industry reports. The key here is to gather as much information as possible to get an accurate picture of your competitors' pricing landscape. Next comes the analysis of market trends and dynamics. This involves studying how prices in your industry have changed over time and the factors influencing these changes. Are there seasonal price fluctuations? Are there new regulations affecting pricing? Understanding these dynamics will help you predict future pricing trends and make strategic decisions. The final step is benchmarking against your competitors. This is where you compare your prices with your competitors. Are you charging more or less? Is there a reason why? Maybe your product has unique features, or perhaps you offer superior customer service. Understanding these differences can help you justify your prices and communicate the value you provide to your customers. So, to summarize, competitor benchmarking in pricing involves comparing your prices with your competitors. The process starts with conducting market research to gather data about your competitors' pricing strategies. Next, you analyze market trends and dynamics to understand the factors influencing pricing in your industry. Finally, you benchmark against your competitors to understand where you stand and how you can differentiate your product or service. Remember, the goal of competitor benchmarking in pricing isn't to mimic your competitors, but to understand the market and set competitive prices that reflect the value you provide. It's an ongoing process that requires continuous research, analysis, and adjustment. But with a clear understanding and strategic approach, you can master the art of pricing and drive your business to new heights. So go ahead, step into that marketplace with confidence, knowing that you've done your homework and are ready to compete on a level playing field. Your customers and your bottom line will thank you.